Many people love to eat Kung Pao chicken but don't know how to cook it. Using my method, the Kung Pao chicken is sweet, sour, slightly spicy, tender, and refreshing. The cooking method is simple, and you can get it done in just 9 minutes after work. When served with rice, you will still find it not enough. First, cut the chicken breast into small cubes. Season with salt, pepper, cooking wine, a little dark soy sauce, an egg white, and 2 spoonfuls of starch. Marinate for 15 minutes. Drizzle with a little cooking oil to lock in moisture. Heat oil in a pan. Stir-fry the diced chicken until 80% cooked, then set aside. Leave some oil in the pan. Add chopped green onion, ginger, and garlic, along with a spoon of chili bean paste. Stir-fry until fragrant, then add about half a bowl of water. Season with 2 spoons of sugar, 3 spoons of vinegar, a spoon of light soy sauce, half a spoon of dark soy sauce. Simmer until the sauce thickens, then add carrots, cucumbers, diced chicken, stir-fry over high heat. Add some water starch. Finally add a handful of roasted peanuts. Mix well, and it's ready to serve. This Kung Pao chicken made this way has tender and velvety chicken, sweet, sour, and slightly spicy flavors. It really pairs perfectly with rice. You should try it out soon.